In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Semrush history. If you've been researching a lot of keywords and want a clean slate, clearing your history in Semrush's Keyword Magic tool is quick and simple. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click, and I'll share a few tips along the way so you know what to expect. First, open Semrush and head to the Keyword Magic tool. From the main dashboard, look for the SEO section in the navigation menu, then choose Keyword Magic tool. This is the place where most keyword brainstorming happens, and it's also where Semrush keeps a handy log of what you've searched recently. Once the tool loads, scroll down the page until you see a section called Your Recent Searches. This is your searchable history inside the Keyword Magic tool. It's useful when you want to jump back to a previous query, but if you're cleaning up your workspace or preparing for a fresh round of research, you can remove entries right here. If you only want to delete specific items, look for the trash can icon next to the keyword you'd like to remove. Click that icon, and Semrush will take that single entry off your list. This is great when you just need to tidy up a few test searches without losing everything else. There's no complicated process here. Click the icon, and the item disappears from your recent searches. If you're ready to wipe the entire list, find the Delete History button within the same section. Click it to start clearing all your recent searches at once. Semrush will prompt you to confirm that you want to remove everything. Go ahead and confirm to finalize the action. Keep in mind, this only clears the recent searches in the Keyword Magic tool. It won't affect any saved projects, keyword lists, or other data you've intentionally stored elsewhere in your account. After confirming, your recent searches section will be empty, and you can begin researching again with a blank slate. If you don't immediately see the change, a quick page refresh usually updates the view. And if the layout looks slightly different, just make sure you're inside the Keyword Magic tool. Your history won't appear on other tools' pages. That's all there is to it. You've opened the Keyword Magic tool, located your search history, removed individual items when needed, cleared everything with the Delete History button, and confirmed the action. Your Semrush history is now deleted. Thanks for watching. Boom.